The Netherlands, a captivating country renowned for its picturesque landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the most amazing places in the Netherlands, exploring the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this country so enchanting. From the windmills of Kinderdijk to the canals of Amsterdam, get ready to discover the beauty and charm of the Netherlands like never before. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate travel guide. Sit back, relax, and let us take you on an unforgettable journey to the Netherlands. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the Netherlands? With its charming windmills, vibrant tulip fields, and historic cities, it's no wonder travelers flock here. But planning the perfect trip can feel overwhelming. Good news, you don't have to figure it out alone. Today, we'll uncover fascinating Dutch fun facts and reveal the best places to visit. Before we dive in, if you're excited to explore the Netherlands, subscribe and comment below which Dutch destination is your favorite. And if you love our videos, please support us. It means a lot. Now let's embark on this incredible journey. Tulip capital. The Netherlands produces 4 billion tulip bulbs annually, the world's largest exporter. Bike nation. With 22 million bikes, more than its 17 million people, cycling is a way of life. Below sea level. A third of the country sits below sea level, protected by ingenious dikes and windmills. Windmill wonders. Over 1,000 historic windmills still stand, many fully operational. Amsterdam's canals. The city has 100 kilometers of canals, outdoing Venice, plus 1,500 bridges and 90 islands. English proficiency. 90% of Dutchies speak English fluently. Cheese heaven. Famous for Gouda, Edam, and Leiden cheeses. Monarchy meets modernity, ruled by King Willem-Alexander, yet one of the world's most progressive nations. Now that we've got you intrigued, let's roll. No, one Amsterdam, where culture and charm intertwine. Start your exploration at the UNESCO Canal Ring, where you'll cruise past 17th century mansions reflecting on centuries gone by. Immerse yourself in art at the Rijksmuseum or the Van Gogh Museum. And don't forget to rent a bike to truly experience Amsterdam's unique bike culture. Stroll along the Bloemenmarkt, the world's only floating flower market, since 1862. Learn about the fascinating history of tulip mania, where tulip bulbs were once traded like currency. Get lost in Amsterdam's vibrant streets and soak up the city's electric atmosphere. Number 2, ziens, where history comes alive. Step into a living history book at the open-air museum showcasing traditional Dutch houses, working windmills, clog workshops, and cheese farms. Want to capture the iconic sight of windmills reflected in the Zen River? Immerse yourself in the scenic beauty of the area and learn about the traditional trades that shape the region. No. 3. Keukenhof Gardens, a floral wonderland. Step into a painter's palette at Europe's largest flower garden. Witness 7 million bulbs in bloom each spring across 79 acres. The vibrant tulips, hyacinths, and daffodils create a mesmerizing display of colors and fragrances. Plan your visit between late March and mid-May for the ultimate tulip spectacle. Don't miss this enchanting experience during your journey through the Netherlands. Number 4, Kinderdijk, where windmills save the day. Explore the UNESCO windmills, 19 historic mills that once protected the land from floods. Today they stand as a testament to human ingenuity and the Netherlands' rich heritage. Discover these marvels by boat or bike for an unforgettable journey through time. Number 5, The Hague, the political heart of the Netherlands. Delve into Dutch governance and justice at the seat of the Dutch government and International Court of Justice. After a morning of diplomacy, escape to the sandy shores of Scheveningen, a popular beach resort just a tram ride away. Don't miss the iconic view of the Peace Palace and the Binnenhof, the Dutch Parliament building. An art enthusiast will delight in the Moretos Museum, home to the girl with a pearl earring and other Dutch masters. Number 6, Delft, where pottery and paintings meet. Embark on a journey through Delft blue pottery at the Royal Delft Factory Tour. Learn about the history and techniques behind this iconic Dutch product. Delft is also the birthplace of world-famous painter Johannes Vermeer. Explore his hometown and see the inspiration behind his masterpieces. And while in the city, be sure to try some delicious bitterballen, a popular Dutch snack. Number 7. Rotterdam, a city of innovation and architecture. Marvel at the cube houses, Mark Thel, and the soaring Euromast. Discover Europe's largest port and witness the bustling energy of this dynamic city. Rotterdam's diverse neighborhoods and cultural attractions will leave a lasting impression. No. 8. Leiden, the oldest university city in the Netherlands. Founded in 1575, Leiden boasts historical canals, picturesque buildings, and cobblestone streets. Explore the city's rich history and admire the birthplace of Rembrandt, one of the Netherlands' most famous painters. Before leaving, visit the Pilgrim Fathers Memorial and Museum to learn about the pilgrims who lived in Leiden before sailing to America. Home to the impressive Dom Tower. Climb the 465 steps to the top for panoramic city views. Explore the lower-level wharves lined with waterside cafes and charming houses. Discover the unique canals of Utrecht and immerse yourself in the city's rich history. Visit the Dom Cathedral and wander through the charming streets lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops. Number 10. Giethoorn, known as the Dutch Venice. Glide through the tranquil canals on a whisper-quiet boat and discover the picturesque villages and lush greenery. With no roads, only canals connect the houses, creating a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Number 11. Groningen, a vibrant student city with a lively nightlife. Explore the Martini Tower for panoramic views over the energy capital. Experience the buzzing atmosphere of Groningen and its diverse range of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. And did you know that bars and clubs in Groningen are open all night, so you can party the night away? Number 12. Haarlem, a hidden gem near Amsterdam. Discover the cozy streets, historic buildings, and picturesque canals of this charming city. Explore the Groot Markt, the main market square surrounded by several historical buildings. Admire the Groot Kerk, the largest church in the province of North Holland. And don't forget to explore the hidden courtyards tucked behind the historic homes. You can also visit the Jopankerk, a former church-turned-craft brewery with a wide selection of beers. And there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tours through the most amazing places in the Netherlands. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into this enchanting country's beauty and charm. Did any particular spot catch your eye? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Netherlands. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Till next time, happy travels, and stay curious.